Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss numerical based on chapter work and time. So let's see the numericals that comes in your examination. Now here you can see similar type of question. Please try to solve it by your own first. Very simple. A plus B plus C plus C plus A. No, this type of question is quite different. This type of question is different. The last line is different. Last line is different. Let's read the question. A, B can together work and complete a work in 8 days. B, C can do the same work in 12 days. All of three can complete the same work in 6 days. In how many days A and C can complete the work together? Now what that means here, A plus B plus C can complete the same work in how many days? 6 days, right? And A plus B can complete the same work in 8 days. B plus C can complete it in 12 days. A plus B plus C can complete it in 6 days. So you have to think a number that can be divided by all three. The number that comes to my mind is 48. What that implies? That implies A plus B can write 6 pages in a day. B plus C can write 4 pages in a day. And A plus B plus C, they, what that means, they complete the work in 6 days. They complete the work in 6 days means they completed those 48 chairs in 6 days, or 48 pages they wrote in 6 days. So that implies they can write 8 pages in a day, right? When you divide it, then it comes out to be 8 pages. If they write 8 pages in a day, they can complete the work in 6 days, right? So that means A plus B plus C can write 8 pages in a day. So A plus B can write 6 pages, B plus C can write 4 pages, and A plus B plus C can write 8 pages. So what I can do is A plus B plus C. From this, if I separate B minus C, B plus C, then what I come is I get A, I get the value of A. So I have the value of A plus B plus C, that is 8, minus B plus C, that is 4. So I can find out that A can write 4 pages in a day. A can write 4 pages in a day, that I get. Similarly, what I can do is from A plus B plus C, from A plus B plus C, I can separate A plus B, A plus B. So I get the work of C. So after I separate A plus B from A plus B plus C, so A plus B plus C write 8 pages, A plus B write 6 pages, 6 pages. So I get the work of C. So how many pages C get? C get this, cancel this one. So C can write 2 pages in a day. 2 pages C can write in a day. A can write 4 pages in a day, right? 4 pages A can write in a day. C can write 2 pages. Together, how many pages they are writing? They can write 6 pages in a day. They can write 6 pages in a day. They have to write 48 pages. They can write 6 pages in a day. So how many days they will take to complete those 48 pages? What you have to do is 48 divided by 6. It comes out to be 8 days. So in 8 days A and C can complete the work. Okay, this type of question comes in your examination, and it is one of the most favorite type of question that examiner basically ask in your exam. So here there is a question that 10 men and 16 women can complete a piece of work in 6 days. It takes 100 days for one man alone to complete the same work. How many days will be required for one woman alone to complete the same work? Okay, this is the question. What that means? 10 men plus 16 women can complete a certain work, can complete a certain work in how many days? 6 days, right? 6 days. And it takes 100 days for one man to complete the same work. You have to equate the work because they are working the same work, they are completing the same work, right? So here what you can do, you can generally you can generally multiply this. You can multiply this. That comes out to be 60 male plus 16 into 6. 16 into 6, when you do, it comes out to be 96 women equal to 100 men, equal to 100 men, right? This is what you get. So what I do is I can equate 96 women equal to 100 minus 60. That comes out to be 40 men. 40 men. What that comes out to be? What that comes out to be? It comes out to be women upon men, right? This 40 upon 96. Can we cut it? Yes, we can cut it. On the table of 4, we can cut it. Comes out to be 10. Comes out to be 20, 24. You can cut it more. You can cut it more. So it comes out to be 5. It comes out to be 12, right? What that implies, that women can make 5 chair in a day, and men can make 12 chairs in a day. So what is asked in the question, how many days will be required for one woman alone to complete the same work? So here you can calculate the work. You can calculate the work. You know that one man can make 12 chairs in a day, and he can complete the work in 100 days. So that means 12 chair a man is make, uh, uh, a single man can make. And for how many days he worked? 100 days. So how many pages he have to write? He have to write 1200 pages. Okay, he wrote 1200 pages. And how many pages a female can write? A female can write 5 pages in a day. So if female can write 5 pages in a day, she have to write 1200 pages. So what you have to do? 1200 divided by 5. So this comes out to be your I guess 240 days. 240 days. So this is the answer. Calculation you have to do. Calculation you have to do. So remember what I told. Very simple concept. Nothing to worry. Very simple. In a very simple way, I explain you. In the question, I told you that whenever there is add and, so you have to write addition, and whenever there is or, so you have to equate it. So in other questions we are going to see or like problems. Here we are dealing with n type question. Okay, so here it is told that 10 men and 16 women together can complete a work in 6 days. So 10 men plus 16 women, how many days they are working? Into 6 days, right? 6 days they are working together into 6, equal to, it takes 100 men to work, men alone to complete the same work. So it is same work. That means we can equate it. So 100 days the man is taking, one man is taking to complete the work. Now we can solve this. And after solving, we come to know about the ratio. Or the number of pages a female can write and a male can write. A female can write 5 pages, a male can write 12 pages, right? So it is asked in how many days one female can complete the work. So a female can write 5 pages in a day, male can write 12 pages in a day, right? So here we got the equation, or we were having the equation where 100 into m. So it is simpler one. You can also put the value of m and w in this equation. The answer will remain the same, but here is simple to solve. So 100 into m. So men can write 12 pages in one day, right? We calculated here. Men can write 12 pages in one day. For 100 days he worked. So how many pages he wrote? 1200 pages he wrote. And a female can write 5 pages in a one day. So how many days she will take? 1500 divided by 1200 divided by 5. Your answer will come. Okay. Now this type of question is in front of you. A and B can do a piece of work in 3 days. If A does thrice as work of B in a given time, find how long A alone would take to do the work. Okay. So here you have to assume A and B are two people. Similar question, the earlier one, what we did is, for how many days they work? 3 days. 3 days. If A does thrice as the work of B, means if we assume that A can write 10 pages in one day, how many pages B can write? Thrice, that means 30 pages B can write. A can write 10 pages. A can write 10 pages. So find out how long A alone take to do the same work. So A can write 10 pages, B can write 30 pages. And for how many days they work together? They work for 3 days. That means 40 pages they write in one day. 3 days they work together. So 120 pages they wrote. 120 pages they wrote. Now, what is asked in the question, in how many days A alone can write those pages? So, or complete the work. So, 120 pages A have to write. A can write 10 pages in a day. So, 120 divided by 10, that comes out to be your number of days. That comes out to be 12 days. So, A will take 12 days to write those much pages. Now, this is a question that is directly based on formula. You not to remember anything. If there is nothing given about the efficiency or work, you have to directly solve this question through a formula, and that formula I am going to tell you. So A alone would take 8 hours more to complete the job than if both A and B together. If B alone can take 4.5 hours more to complete the job as compared to A and B together, what time would they take if both A and B work together? Now, if reference to someone work and that reference is common, like in this case A plus B is common reference for both of them, and if time is not given, so you have to directly apply a formula, that is under root of time with respect to A under root into time with respect to B. So A complete the work in 8 hours with respect to A plus B, both A and B. B can complete the same work in 4.5 hours. So 4.5, I can write this fraction is 9 by 2. So I can multiply here. So here this cuts 4 into 9, that comes out to be root 36. So root 36 is, what is the value of root 36? 6 hours. Means they would take 6 hours if they work together. Whenever there is no reference, you have to apply this formula, and this is a shortcut that I told you. Okay, if with reference this question if asked, and if there is no reference of time, and with that particular person if they are asking, so you can find out the time of that particular person with this formulas. There are very less formulas, but whenever there is requirement, I will tell you to remember such type of things. Whatever the question I am covering, you not need to go beyond those questions that are more than enough to give you good marks or good result in your examination, right? Now, see the question. A is thrice as good as a work person as B and takes 10 days less to complete a work than B takes. Find out time in which B alone can complete the work, right? So this is the question. A is thrice as good a work person as B and take 10 days less to complete a work than B. Find out time in which B can complete the work. So here, if B can write 10 pages, A is thrice as good. So how many pages A can write? A can write 30 pages in a day. B can write 10 pages, right? And it is given that he takes 10 days less to complete the work than B, right? So so 30 pages he write. Number of days that B takes to complete a work is not known, but we know he takes 10 days less. So minus 10 equal to how many pages same work B will do. B write 10 pages in a day. B write 10 pages in a day. And how many days he takes? X days he is taking, right? So we can solve it. We can solve it. That comes out to be 30x minus 300. 300 equal to 10x equal to 10x. So what I can do, I can shift it here. So 20x equal to 300. 300. So I get the value of x. X means the number of days taken by B to complete the work. So that comes out to be 15 days. That comes out to be 15 days. 15 days B is taking. A is taking 10 days less. That means A can complete the same work in 5 days. if it comes out to for if it is asked in how many days A complete the work, so you have to find out, so it is 5 days. Okay, very simple question. You not need to do anything, you just need to equate the same work as the fashion we earlier did. And if the number of days are not known, we take x minus, he is taking 10 days less, so minus 10 days he is taking as compared to the actual days, and 10 into x, so x is the number of days taken by B, and he is writing 10 pages in a day. So whenever there is thrice work, twice work, 20% work, you have to assume a certain number, and from that number reference you have to solve the questions. Thank you.